In this video, we'll show you how to make a perfect WordPress website. WordPress is an open source CMS that powers over 455 million websites in the world, which is over 40% of all websites. There's no competition that comes close. In fact, Shopify is a runner-up with only 5% of the market share. The power and growth of WordPress is from the fact that it's open source. This allows millions of people to contribute to its technology. Also, WordPress is a clean slate to build any kind of website with thousands of plugins and themes for any business. You can create an e-commerce shop, a blog, a gallery, a landing page, and so much more. Let's get into the 5 steps of creating a perfect WordPress website. Choosing your WordPress host. There are 2 versions of WordPress. One is the original open source software, WordPress.org, and the other one is the hosted version, WordPress.com. The .org version is completely free and is open source. However, it needs to be hosted on a server to run. The .com version is a WordPress ready hosting service that takes care of the hosting for you, similar to Shopify. You will need to pay to have features like having your own domain, store, and plugins. The best option is to host your own WordPress website, especially if you're an advanced user. For users with minimal web development experience, the .com version may be a better option. However, it's less customizable. If you decided to go the .org route as we recommended, there are many WordPress hosting websites you can choose from. If you chose WordPress.com or a host that specializes in WordPress, you won't need to install WordPress. With most hosts, you should be able to install WordPress easily with the apps section of your hosting dashboard. If you're having troubles installing WordPress, you should contact your hosting provider for assistance. Finally, regardless of the WordPress version and host you choose, make sure to connect your domain name to make it professional. Installing a theme. There are thousands of themes available to install on your website. WordPress comes with some default and free to use themes. However, they might not be ideal for your purpose of your website. We suggest you use a site such as themeforest.net to find the perfect theme for your website. Most themes also come with a page builder such as Elementor or WP Bakery. Make sure your theme has good reviews and is well packaged with plugins such as a page builder. Speed is also important for your website, so it's good to choose a well-developed theme that does not bloat your website. Once you find your perfect theme, you should now download it and head over to your admin dashboard. In the dashboard under Appearance, you should see Themes. Over here, you can upload the theme you purchased. Once installed, you should read the documentation of your theme to get started. A lot of popular themes come with multiple demo sites that you can import, which saves a lot of time. Begin building your website. Now that you have your theme installed, it's time to build your website. WordPress allows you to create posts or pages. Posts are blog posts, and pages are things like your homepage, about us, contact page, and more. Begin by clicking Add New on either the Posts or Pages tab on the left side of your admin dashboard. You may now add a title, add content, media, and a featured image. Most themes come with a page builder which you have installed. These page builders will allow you to easily add content without any coding knowledge. Most themes come with multiple demo sites which can provide the foundation of your website. All you need to do is choose a demo that you like and import it. Now you can just change the text and images to suit your business. Menus can also be changed in the Appearance tab. Moment, our free CRM, comes with session recording, which can give you insights into how users interact with your website. This allows you to build your website with optimization and efficiency in mind, so that you can convert more website visitors into customers. The link to sign up for free is in the description below. Install plugins. WordPress offers a large directory of plugins which can be installed for extra functionality on your website. Some of these plugins add SEO, contact forms, translations, e-commerce, and more to your website. It may be overwhelming at first, but you can Google what plugins you should use for your business. Moment allows you to add a free live chat to your WordPress website, among other features, with a single JavaScript snippet. The benefit of using Moment is that you don't have to add multiple plugins for different functionalities, which can slow down your website. It also comes with session recording, user journeys, email marketing, and much more. Sign up for free in the description below. Now that you have installed your desired plugins, it's time to optimize your website so it could be seen by your target audience. Optimizing your WordPress website. If you made it this far, you deserve a virtual high five. Website optimization is important as it allows your website to appear higher on search engines and convert more visitors into customers. There are many free tools which can help with optimizing your website. We recommend using a web speed plugin. Having a fast website not only improves the user experience, but ranks you higher on Google. Plus, no one likes a slow website. Aside from web speed, it's important to optimize your website's content and user experience. You can do this by A/B testing with session recording. By viewing how how your website visitors interact with your website, you could get a sense of what's working and where you can improve. For example, maybe your call to action is hard to find, or maybe your users are getting stuck at a certain part of your WordPress website. With session recording, you could find bottlenecks and optimize your visitors' experience. View our A/B testing with session recording video in the description below. In conclusion, building a website from scratch can be a daunting task and requires years of coding experience. However, WordPress is an amazing platform that is growing in popularity every single day. Over 40% of websites use WordPress thanks to its open source developers. Being free software allows your business to save money as well. Speaking of free, Moment is an easy to use free CRM that adds extra functionality to your website. These tools include live chat, session recording, lead nurturing, email marketing, customer journeys, and so much more. All of these features on Moment are free to use with no credit card required. We hope you enjoyed this video on making your perfect WordPress website. Sign up to Moment today and begin utilizing its power on your new WordPress website. Happy marketing!